A few moments later. A few minutes later.
Oh no, di pa. Ngayon pa nawalan. Shit, buti may lugar. Chanel, what is nursing informatics?
Nursing education enhances learning. E-learning platforms, virtual simulations, and online resources help students grasp complex nursing concepts. One of the benefits of nursing informatics and nursing education is that e-learning platforms, virtual simulations, and online resources enhance learning by helping students grasp complex nursing concepts. Nursing practice improves patient care. Electronic health records, or EHRs, enhance accuracy and documentation, reducing errors. One of the benefits of nursing informatics and nursing practice is the electronic health records, or EHRs. It improves patient care by enhancing accuracy and documentation and reducing errors. Nursing administration, efficient staffing and management. Informatics systems optimize workforce, scheduling, and hospital administration. Nursing research supports evidence-based practice. Nursing informatics plays a vital role in research by providing access to large datasets, analytical tools, and online journals. This helps nurses develop studies that improve patient care and healthcare policies. One of the benefits of nursing informatics and nursing research is by enhancing data collection, analysis, and access to evidence-based resources. This leads to improved patient care, healthcare policies, and nursing practice.